Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how to play golden flower game on your poppolive. So in order to do that, you must have completed your face authentication, upload a live photo of yourself, and also reach wealth level 5 before you can play golden flower game on your poppolive. So if you have completed that, it is very easy for you to play the game. Just click on the live option on your of the poppolive. Now you can now type in your title for the game and also select your purpose for the live. You just select any of the purpose, click on the game option found at the bottom of your screen, scroll and look for golden flower, click on it, and you can now go live on. So guys, you're now live on your poppolive. You can now start playing your game with your friends on your poppolive. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.